this is the kitchen space we have. Let's move to our backyard, and this is my favorite place, dining area, which is next to our formal living space. If you Okay, so come on, I'll show you my master bedroom, which I really like. So if you come to this room, this huge bed, this is my husband's choice. Rest these portraits and all, it's my thought. So I'll show you the most good place which we got over here, and I think all girls want it, their walk-in closet. So I'll show you. It's not very well arranged, but you can see.
So I guess this space is quite humongous. It is almost the same space that you have on the floor above, isn't it?
Correct.
It's a huge one. They can actually plan anything over here. They can make it kids play area.
Yeah.
They can make, as you mentioned, that you're planning to put a TT table over here.
Yes.
Definitely a game area can be built up here. This is the amount of space that you have. That's very nice.
And when you move to other space over here, and we dedicated one space as a gym area. It's not very much well placed, all the equipments, but we have whatever equipments we have, we put it over here.